How much time do you spend on YouTube? Do you ever feel like you're wasting your time? Stop wasting time and start making money. No need to spend hours working, just set aside a few minutes of your time each day and make money watching YouTube. Don't know how? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money by watching videos and even doing nothing. So, keep watching to the end, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Would you like to make a passive income? You can do it by watching videos on YouTube. There are a lot of ways to make money online, but this one is the easiest. You don't need any skills, startup costs, or previous experience. All you need is a smartphone and internet connection. TV2 app will pay you to watch YouTube videos. You can search whatever you like, and you can browse YouTube through TV2 app as you usually do and get paid for that. TV2 is a mobile app that rewards users with crypto in exchange for doing tasks such as watching YouTube videos, downloading and using other apps, completing surveys, and referring friends. Whether you have an Android, iOS, or smart TV, you may access TV2 from any nation. TV2 is unlike any other platform since it enables users to choose their preferred videos and earn money just by watching them. TV2 suggests YouTube videos. You may choose one of these or search for another. Other than watching videos, they pay for tasks like installing an app, playing games, and more. These options pay much better compared to watching videos. TV2 rewards users using blockchain technology, thus you need a wallet that accepts TTV Ethereum tokens. TV2 recommends installing Nexo and opening a crypto account. However, you can also use Exodus and Trust Wallet. You may earn TTV tokens by viewing YouTube videos and completing offers. You may trade tokens on Coinbase or another online exchange, and you may withdraw to PayPal or a bank account. TV2 is 100% legit and the idea is fascinating, but you will not get big money by using TV2. You can just use it as a side hustle. But if you like to make money instantly, check the description box to earn $1,000 or more every day instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.